Okay, we're at a place called Sun Park. There's Sun Hotel S, Sun. Got some pretty cool artwork on the other side of that one. And we're gonna show you around this little area. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so you got this kind of nice park. I think the first thing we're gonna do is there's Sun. We're just gonna walk in here a little bit and just kind of show you a little bit of this, including this right here. This is kind of like foot massage. Of course, I have to take the shoes off, and then it's raining right now, so got some exercise stuff all the way down. And we're just gonna walk. I think this is maybe a little library, maybe. This one's for kids. If it's empty, I'll go through it. If it's kids, I won't. It's empty, good. So walk through it. I don't really like to go through these if there's kids around. And now we're on the other side. Got some pretty good artwork over there. And we're gonna try to stay out of the rain a little bit. I don't know if that's possible. And I'll just kind of show you a little bit of the park here. Kind of a rainy day. Catching a little bit of rain, but what can you do? And then over to there's some hotels over here, and then over there, I think there's like, I think I remember seeing once that was like the opium museum or something like that, and I tried to find it and I couldn't quite figure it out. It was like an opium house, but it was once a museum but closed to the public or something. And I think it was this yellow building right here. We're gonna go there right towards there right now. And we're gonna get out of the rain. Yeah, quite a bit of rain today. So let's just go around this way. And I want to show you this some S Hotel. That's a nice mural. And if we can, we'll go around it. There's the mural right there. But yeah, we got a lot of rain right now, so not a lot, but a little bit. Let me just see. Just go around it. And then if we can, we're gonna go down this little thing because there's a bunch of artwork down here too. So this street has a lot of artwork. So that one and that one right there. So let's just see if we can get around it. And now we got all this artwork down here. Which is kind of cool. So yeah, this whole thing, this goes, I think it goes, this whole building on that one side, it's all the way up, and then this one, it's a bit further down. Okay, let's just kind of walk through it. Trying to capture both sides. That one is pretty cool. Out loud. So I'm also getting a little bit wet, so that's why I'm walking a little bit fast. Huh. Mr. Galaxy, what's this? Are these like some bar or club that we don't know anything about? There's more artwork down that way. More artwork down here too. Oh yeah. So we're gonna come back to Sun Park and Hotel S, and we'll try to capture both. There's some more of the artwork. I think I've seen this artist before. There's some other work that I've seen. in another location. Okay, so there's all kinds of cool stuff everywhere around here. Cafe, coffee shop. It's raining, so I'm gonna be, I don't want to get too wet, so we're gonna come up to Hotelas. I know one of my viewers, I think it's Ryan Cardinal, I think. He's a pretty big fan of this area, so this video is for you. Okay. There's Hotel S. And that's the Sunsun Park. And it's raining. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.